In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align lines in Canva. Whether you're a beginner, just getting started with Canva, or someone looking to refine your design skills, this guide will help you create perfectly aligned projects with ease. First, let's open up Canva and get started. As soon as your design project loads, you'll want to head over to the top left corner of your screen and click on the File option. Now, this might seem like a simple step, but it opens up a whole range of tools tailor-made to enhance your design process. Once you've clicked on File, take your cursor and hover over the Settings option. You don't need to click just yet. Simply hovering is enough to unlock more features. It's like discovering secret compartments filled with tools to help you perfect your designs. Among these options, you'll find the choice to show rulers and guides. Click on this option and watch as rulers gracefully appear along the top and side edges of your canvas. This step is crucial because these rulers act like a visual grid, helping you maintain symmetry and professionalism in your design projects. Now that your rulers are visible, let's move to the fun and creative part, which is dragging and dropping our alignment lines. Starting from the top of the canvas, click and hold on the ruler, then drag downwards. You'll notice a guideline appearing as you drag. Aim to place this line precisely at the center of your canvas. These guidelines turn your design space into neat, manageable sections and serve as helpful reference points when aligning various design elements. Next, let's do the same from the side. Move your cursor over to the ruler on the left side of the canvas. Click, hold, and drag a line towards the center of the canvas. By doing this, you create another guide that intersects with your first line, forming a cross that divides your canvas into 4 equal sections. This is an exceptional way to ensure everything is balanced and symmetrical. These guidelines act like visual targets, making it easy to align text, images, and other elements with precision. And there you have it, a straightforward way to align lines using Canva's built-in features. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create visually appealing designs that are well organized and balanced. It's important to remember that these guidelines won't appear on your final design. They're just there to guide you in crafting something extraordinary. So go ahead, practice these steps, apply them in your upcoming projects, and watch as your design skills elevate to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on design tools. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.